Guys, don't sleep on this. Serbia reportedly needs over 50,000 plus foreign workers to fill labor shortages in 2026. And many of these jobs do not require a university degree. Now listen carefully, guys. Serbia is becoming a gateway country. A lot of people are using Serbia to start their European journey because the entry barrier is lower compared to countries like Germany, Canada, or the UK. Lower cost. Faster processing. More accessible jobs. So why is Serbia suddenly looking for foreigners? Simple. Massive labor shortage. A lot of young Serbian citizens are leaving Serbia for Western Europe. And because of that, Serbian companies are struggling to find workers. And another thing people are not talking about enough. Serbia is actively attracting foreign investment. Factories are opening. Warehouses are expanding. Construction projects are everywhere. Hotels and restaurants need workers. Logistics companies need drivers. Tech startups are growing. So even if you don't have a degree, there are still multiple pathways available. And here's the crazy part. The cost of living in Serbia is lower than many European countries. Meaning your salary can actually stretch further if you manage your money well. In-demand sectors and salaries. 1. Construction. This sector is booming in Serbia right now. Jobs include general laborers, welders, electricians, plumbers. Average salaries between 700 to 1,500 euros per month depending on experience. And some companies provide accommodation. Huge advantage. 2. Warehouse and factory jobs. This is where many people without degrees start. Jobs include pickers and packers, machine operators, forklift operators. Salary range around 600 to 1,200 euros monthly. 3. Hospitality and tourism. Hotels and restaurants are constantly hiring, especially in tourist areas and major cities. Jobs include waiters, receptionists, baristas. Average salaries 600 to 1,000 euros monthly plus tips. And if you speak basic English well, that already gives you an advantage. 4. Truck driving and logistics. This one pays better. Because logistics companies are desperate for drivers. Jobs include delivery drivers, truck drivers, logistics assistants. Salary range 1,200 to 2,500 euros monthly. Now obviously, for truck driving you may need a valid driving license and additional certification. But the earning potential is much higher. 5. Caregiving and support work. Europe's aging population is creating opportunities everywhere, including Serbia. Jobs include elderly caregivers, support assistants, home care workers. Salaries range from 700 to 1,400 euros monthly. How to find jobs in Serbia. Follow this carefully. 1. Prepare a European-style CV. Your CV needs to look professional. Keep it simple. 1 or 2 pages maximum. Clearly list your skills, qualifications, certifications, and availability to start. 2. Apply for jobs. Now start applying aggressively. Use official platforms and verified portals. 3 important websites to check. A to Z ServicePlus.com, an international recruitment agency that often handles the paperwork and placement for foreign workers moving to Serbia. Glassdoor, useful for finding roles in larger international firms where English is the primary office language. HelloWorld.rs, the go-to site if you are in the IT or tech sector. It's a specialized branch of InfoStud specifically for developers and tech talent. Apply daily. Consistency wins. So guys, would you actually move to Serbia in 2026? Comment below. Your country plus the sector you want to work in. I want to see where everybody is watching from. And if this video helped you understand the Serbia work visa opportunity, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we are dropping more strategic immigration opportunities every single week. Don't sleep on these opportunities, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.